In the enchanting land of Candescent Hollow, where the grasses sang with whispers of pixies and the skies shone in every color of the rainbow, lived the kind-hearted witch, Maleficent. She was not the fearsome figure many imagined, but rather a gracious guardian of nature. Her castle, a gleaming tower of emeralds nestled within the enchanted forest, was known for its endless library of magical books and enchanted animals that roamed freely within its protective walls. All was well, until one pitch night when the stars hid their faces, and the moon had turned her back to the world. An ominous shadow fell over Candescent Hollow. It was Dark Shadow, a being of mysterious origins, who thrived on chaos and confusion. Maleficent sensed something was amiss. The voices of the forest had turned faint and distant, almost as if nervous whispers filled the atmosphere. Determined to uncover what was going wrong, she summoned her loyal friend, Abbott, a small but wise owl with a knack for riddles. "Abbott, dear, do you feel the tremors beneath the leaves? Something dark and sinister approaches our realm," Maleficent spoke, her voice a gentle lullaby to even the restless branches. Abbott fluttered to her side, his eyes wide with wisdom. "Indeed, Maleficent, I fear it might be the Dark Shadow. His envy knows no bounds, and he longs to cast despair upon your peaceful world." Realizing the urgency, Maleficent decided to seek the help of the brave young wizard, Orion, who lived in the village nearby. Orion, with his unruly hair and curious eyes, was known for his bravery and deep sense of justice. "Orion," Maleficent called softly as she entered his quaint yet cozy cottage decorated with peculiar spell artifacts, "the Dark Shadow is upon us. We must protect our world from losing its light." Orion nodded, determination flickering in his gaze like a candle in the wind. "Together, we will not let darkness prevail," he replied. With the help of Abbott, they began their quest to uncover Dark Shadow's sources of power. They journeyed through whispering woods and sparkly rivers, facing enchanted challenges which tested their wisdom and courage. They deciphered ancient riddles inscribed upon stones that glowed like moonbeams, laid out by wise ancestors to guide them towards the heart of light. As they finally reached the heart, a place where the essence of all things good lay hidden, Dark Shadow materialized before them. A smoky form with eyes like swirling black pools, he moved to surround Maleficent and Orion with his chilling presence.